Hey YouTube, welcome back to Expedition Tennessee. Today we're going to Ijams Nature Center and go on the Boardwalk Trail and look and see what that has to offer. Let's go. Hey YouTube, it's Mike again. We're back here at Ijams and I appreciate y'all watching Expedition Tennessee. We're out just venturing again. Today we're going to be headed toward the boardwalk here that goes around the river, the Tennessee River. So that's where we're headed. Right now we're walking up the railroad tracks and see where this leads. So it's always fun to adventure and see where things go. So that's what we're doing today. I got of course I got the grandbabies with me. They're always with me, you all know that. So and the wife actually got to come out with us today, which that makes it more exciting and more fun because we get to spend time with her. She works so much, it's great to have her out with us, you know. So, but we're going to walk down through here and see where all this leads. Alrighty, look at this. This was here for some reason. Tell you what, guys, these grandbabies I got, boy, sure do keep me active. It's a blessing. Of course, you can see people with the spray paint. Look, somebody done Illuminati. It would go vols underneath it. Alrighty guys, we're going to head up this trail right here and see where this takes us. Like I said, over here at Ijams, there are so many trails that just leads different places. And this summer, we're going to go adventure a lot of these, and that way y'all can see where they're at, and I'll let you know which one we're on. Oh, this is cool. I think we got to go this way, guys. It's toward the river, the boardwalk this way. See, there's some more trails up through there, guys, that lead off. Alright guys, I made it down here more toward the river, so And there is a big old tower right there. I don't know what's held in it, but it's pretty neat. And thought I'd show you this right up here. That's maybe an old stand for where they offloaded stuff or something like that in the river on barges. Ooh, it's just something neat. There's a little tanker out there. A little picnic bench sitting in the middle of nowhere. That's a little neat tree. Tennessee River. Before they renamed it, it used to be called the Holston River. Been a long time ago though. And we've made it to the boardwalk. Today's a pretty day for this. And right here it is. The river boardwalk. Maybe we can see a great blue heron, but we'll definitely be on the outlook for one. They have nice little places to see it and just look out. Look at that house over there. The roof fell in. I don't think I can get a good shot of it, but wow, look at the waves on those rocks. Hey. Hello. Yeah, it's got the roof fell in on it. Here's another look of those towers and stuff over there. Look, you see the cracks in between the rocks. Wow, it's pretty neat, guys. Oh, look here, guys.
there's fresh footprints. Oh, wow. Somebody hopped down there. Landon! Somebody hopped down there. Landon's all the way down there.
Wow, look at that, guys.
Pretty.
You can actually get up in the cave. Look at a little natural spring right there running down. Here's another cave. They got them all blocked off, but you can hear the water running in there. Another little sitting area.
I want to see a turtle. I want to see a turtle. Oh. Wow, look at this.
Guys, come here.
Hey, keep going.
They're cool. That's nice.
That is neat. The good Lord never disappoints with his wondrous world he created.
And back we go.
Yeah, they got it blocked off. They, come here, guys, stop. Sorry, guys. Oh, I see why. It washed out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the trail washed out that led over there.
Where's Landy?
I don't know. He'll come back.
The trail washed out that led over to there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a shame.
Yep. Well, guys, that kind of ended this one right here. So we came as far as we could go on this one. So, as far as that being said, this is the boardwalk at Ijams Nature Center, and it's a pretty trail to walk, and it's a nice viewing area. So, I mean, maybe if you want to come and take a look for yourself, it'd be something that you might like, then, you know. But anyway, I'm gonna jump off here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So have a good one.